English with Moses.
Take your English to the next level.
Hello everyone. This is 30-Day English Shadowing Challenge. This is the first day, and it's about meeting someone for the first time. Before we start, I want you to make me one promise. Don't worry about grammar. Don't worry about making mistakes. And please, don't pause the video every 5 seconds. Just listen, repeat, and enjoy the conversation. Remember, you are not studying English today, you are living English. Ready? Let's begin. Hi, Sally.
Hi, Moses.
How are you?
I am great, thanks. How about you?
I am doing well, thank you. My name's Moses. What's your name?
I am Sally. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I am from Canada. What about you?
I am from Morocco.
Oh, that's nice. Is it your first time here?
Yes, it is. Everything feels new.
Don't worry. People here are really friendly.
I hope so. I am a little nervous.
That's completely normal. I was nervous the first time too.
Really?
Oh yes, but after talking to a few people, I felt much better.
That's good to hear. Thank you.
You are welcome. So, what do you do?
I am a teacher of English. And you?
I am a university student. I love learning new languages.
Really? Which languages do you speak?
English, French, and a little Spanish.
Wow, that's amazing. I'd love to learn another language someday.
You can. Just practice every day. Even 10 minutes makes a difference.
That's great advice. Thanks, Sally.
My pleasure.
Great job. Now, it's shadowing time. Let's do it together. This time, listen carefully and repeat after Sally and me. Don't worry if you are not perfect. Just copy the pronunciation, the rhythm, and the emotion. Ready? Let's go. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I am great, thank you. How about you?
I am doing well. Thank you. My name's Moses. What's your name?
I am Sally. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Thanks, Moses.
Nice work, dear listeners. Now, I have 3 simple questions for you. Question number 1, what's your name? Question number 2, where are you from? And question number 3, what do you do? Are you a student, a teacher, or maybe you have another job? Write your answers in the comments. I'd love to read every single one, and don't worry about making mistakes. That's how we learn. If today was your very first shadowing practice, I am proud of you. Learning English isn't about being perfect, it's about showing up. One day at a time. Tomorrow, we'll learn how to introduce ourselves with more confidence. And little by little, you'll notice something amazing. One day, you'll stop translating and start thinking in English. So don't miss day 2. Until then, take care. Keep speaking, keep smiling, and remember, your English gets better every single time you open your mouth. If you enjoyed today's lesson, please give this video a thumbs up. It tells YouTube that this lesson is helpful, and it helps more people discover English with Moses. If you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love to have you as part of our learning family. Click subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and join me every day for the next shadowing practice days. Now, here is your challenge. Leave a comment and answer these 3 questions. What's your name? Where are you from? And why are you learning English? I'll be reading your comments, and I'd love to say hello to you. Remember, don't worry about being perfect. Just keep showing up. One conversation, one day, one step at a time. I am Moses. This is English with Moses, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 2. Until then, keep speaking, keep smiling, and keep believing in yourself. Bye for now.
See you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.